Imagine you are cruising down the highway in your powerful 10-cylinder beast, and suddenly you feel a strange vibration or a loss of power that just does not feel right. That is your engine trying to tell you something is wrong with the heartbeat of its power delivery. Specifically, we are talking about the diagnostic trouble, code P0290, which stands for cylinder 10 contribution or balance. In plain English, this means the computer in your car has noticed that cylinder number 10 is not pulling its weight compared to the others. It is like a rowing team where one person stops rowing and the boat starts to go off course. The engine computer monitors the acceleration of the crankshaft every time a cylinder fires, and if cylinder 10 is weak, it sets this code. Now, before you panic about needing a new engine, let me tell you from experience that this is usually a fuel issue, not a catastrophic engine failure. It is often simply that the fuel injector for that cylinder is clogged, dirty, or just tired. The symptoms you will feel are reduced power, a rough idle, and you will definitely see your fuel economy drop. To figure this out, you do not need $1 million shop. Start by listening. Take a long screwdriver, put the handle to your ear, and touch the metal tip to the fuel injector for cylinder 10 while the engine is running. You should hear a steady rhythmic ticking sound. If it is silent, that injector is either dead or not getting power. If it clicks but you still have the code, grab a multimeter and check the red power wire at the injector for battery voltage. If you have voltage and a clicking injector, it is likely just dirty inside. You can try a direct fuel injector flush kit from an auto parts store. This involves disabling your fuel pump and running the engine directly off a can of pressurized cleaner. It is like a detox for your engine. If that cleans it out and the code clears, you just saved yourself a lot of money. But if the rough idle persists after a good cleaning, you are likely looking at replacing that fuel injector to get your smooth ride back. Do not ignore this one, because driving with a misfiring cylinder can eventually damage your catalytic converters, and that is a much more expensive repair.